Bagsak si Crawford at Canelo sa Pinoy boxer na ito.
Kamayaskis comes forward and Bud Crawford was hurt. Kamayaskis comes forward and Bud Crawford was hurt. Bud Crawford was hurt.
Ang pagbagsak ni Terence Bud Crawford sa kamao ng pinakamalakas na Pinoy sa mataas na dibisyon ng middleweight division.
Probably the best plan of case of attack for Mindoro. You guys talk about it all the time.
Look at that uppercut! Down goes Moon. Not gonna beat the count. That is it.
Matapos talunin si Canelo Alvarez at maging kauna-unahang 3 division undisputed champion, si Terence Crawford na ngayon ang pinakamalakas na boksingero sa buong mundo. Pero alam nyo ba na may isang Pinoy na boksingero sa mataas na division ang kayang tumapat at maaari pang magpabagsak kay Terence Crawford? Ito ay walang iba kundi ang pinakamalakas na boksingero ngayon ng Pinas na si Weljan Mindoro. Pinagkalooban ng Diyos ng talento at natural na lakas ng kamao, knockout artist at lahat ng nakalaban ay pinatumba sa ibabaw ng lona. 15 wins with 50 knockout, 100% knockout power ratio. Siguradong bagsak si Crawford sa ating pambato. Lahat ng nakalaban ni Weljan Mindoro ay mas malaki sa kanya, mas matangkad at mas mabigat pa, kaya hindi ka panipaniwala ang mga knockout na panalo na kanyang ginawa. Si Weljan Sandag Mindoro o mas kilala bilang Weljan Mindoro ay ang tinaguri ang The Trigger Man ng Philippine Boxing. Siya ang ipinagmamalaking boksingero ng bayan ng Dumingag, lalawigan ng Zamboanga del Sur. Bata pa lamang ay sinanay na ito para maging mahusay na boksingero. Dala na rin ang hirap ng buhay ay maaga itong nagtrabaho, kaya mabibigat na pagsasaka at contraction sa probinsya ang naging hanap buhay niya. Pinasok niya lahat upang makatulong sa pamilya hanggang madiskubre niya ang kakaibang lakas ng kamao sa pagiging boksingero. Lahat ng nakalaban niya sa Pilipinas ay talaga namang natulog sa kanyang kamao hanggang kinuha na siya ng MP promotion at pinalaban sa Amerika. At lahat ng mga ibang lahi na nakalaban niya sa Amerika ay nawasak talaga sa lakas ng ating bida. May mga namutla, napaiyak, nawasak ang bodega sa sobrang lakas ng bagito nating bida. Araw ng Biyernes, July 28 taong 2023, sa Philippine Games and Amusement Board, Rizal, Laguna, ay napalaban ang ating pambato sa pinakamatangkad na Hapon na boksingero. 6-footer ito na may matindi ring kamao na si Mau Tameda, pero round 1 lang talaga ang inabot niya sa bagito nating bida. Kahit gaano katangkad ang Hapon na boksingero ay binugbog at kinawawa siya ng ating pambato. Dito natin makikita kung gaano katindi si Weljan Mindoro.
Sa middleweight division, nice 1-2 by Mindoro. Ang walang nice body by Mindoro. Pumasok din rin yung overhand ni Tameda.
Mindoro against the roof, pero ang aming counter punch na wala.
Makaraan lang ang 1 minuto mga bay ay pinakitaan na tayo ni Mindoro kung paano pabagsakin ang matangkad na kalaban.
Oh! Nice 1-2 by Mindoro! Kami next down! Yes.
Sa pagbabalik ng laban ay halos hindi pa nga nakaka-recover itong Hapon at mas lalo nga nitong ninamnam ang umaapoy at umuusok na mga kombinasyon ng Pinoy.
To each other.
Mindoro looking to fight again, ha?
Nice body by Mindoro. Follow by your uppercut. Oh! What a right by Mindoro!
Dahil sa husay ng ating pambato, kinuha na siya ng MP promotion para ipalaban sa Amerika at dito lalong nahasa at naging halimaw ang ating bida. Ang kanyang natural na lakas ng kamao ay lalong naging malakas dahil sa mga pagsasanay na itinuro sa kanya ng mga profesional na boksingero at dahil sa sipag ng ating pambato, naging complete fighter na si Weljan Mindoro. Mapakaliwa o kanan, parehas naging napakamapanganib na kamao. Araw ng Miyerkules, July 10 taong 2024 sa Probox TV Event Center, Plan City, Florida, nagganap ang kauna-unahang laban sa Amerika ng bagito nating bida. Makakaharap niya rito ang pinakabrutal na boksingero ng United Kingdom. Si Tyler Goodjan ay ang former bare knuckle champion sa United Kingdom. Kilalang di umayaw at napakabrutal na kalaban, kaya medyo alanganing manalo ang ating kababayan. Pero katulad ng ibang boksingero, round 2 lang pala ang itinagal niya sa laban. Round number 1, walking bordado ang kalaban at ito agad ang agresibo sa kanilang laban. Kaya napapaatras ang ating kababayan, pero tinatansya lang pala niya ang galawan ng kalaban.
To bare knuckle, Paulie, sport you know very, very well. But the toughness he learned in bare knuckle, he said that's what's carrying me to that.
Yeah, he had some success in bare knuckle. He was really successful over there and did very well. Had some became a real fan favorite. And then you wonder why guys lie when they make weight.
The easiest cut I've ever had in my life.
Team, you know, likening him to Manny Pacquiao. Well, he's 5'11", and the small package packs a big punch.
Not stockier.
John, you'd like to see Goodjan maybe cut the ring off a little bit, trying to put that mental pressure. He's better off cutting off the ring on Mindoro.
Talk to Goodjan. They talk about tactics so much as toughness. The idea that Mindoro is not going to punch him. He has to run a lot of range.
Slickness to the head movement. Mindoro's having trouble getting to him. Goodjan getting hurt to the body. Now he's getting hit with some big shots. Man, nice on.
Goodjan's got to shoot in between hard, big shots.
He's starting with the body shots of Jim. I still think he's strong since 2011. You know, a solid pro for a little. Oh, good shot.
Nice uppercut.
Basically misses.
Sa round number 2, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. 3 beses itong babagsak sa napakatinding kamao ng ating pambato.
Distance. A lot more. He's hurt 9 times.
Punchers don't punch the same way when they're on their back foot.
Made a case of attack from Mindoro.
You guys talk about it all the time.
Oh,
Good shot from Mindoro. Down goes Good.
Parang trumpong lasing, hilong-hilo ang kalaban ng matamaan ng solidong kamao ni Kabayan, pero nagkunwari siyang okay at muling lumaban, kaya kalbaryo lang ang sinapit niya sa ating kababayan.
Let's see if he holds. He probably should hold it.
Such thing as being too tough for your own good. Goodjan getting into a firefight. Doesn't have his like second knockdown of round number 2.
He's going to take his time here. Let's see.
I was going to say, going punch for punch with a puncher like Mindoro, not a good idea for Goodjan.
Legs aren't under him. Could this be it?
How much time does he have? He's got 30 seconds, 25 seconds. Let's see if he's able to get out of the round.
Couple more clean shots, the referee to the step
He may
in.
have to hold you. Let's see if he holds.
Oh, body shots too.
The holding time.
Punching into him. Can't knock the heart of Goodjan.
Trying to fight fire with fire and it's over.
Nagulat talaga at kinalabutan ng mga Amerikano dahil sa napakatinding ginawa ng ating pambato. Araw naman ng Sabado, November 9 taong 2024 sa Osceola Heritage Park, Kissimmee, Florida ay muling napalaban ang ating bida. Kinaharap niya rito ang isang napakatangkad na knockout artist ng Brazil na si Lucas De Abrio. Ang boksingerong ito ay may solidong kamao at may record na 14 na panalo at 11 sa mga ito ay kanyang pinatulog sa ibabaw ng lona, kaya medyo tagilid na naman dito ang bagito nating bida. Pero magugulat ang lahat ng mga Amerikano dahil 3 round lang ang itatagal ng kanilang pambato kontra kay Weljan Mindoro. Sa round number 1, nakikipagsabayan pa dito ang Brazilian na kalaban, pero kahit na matangkad dito ay unti-unti na siyang na-overpower ng ating kababayan.
It does take much pretty well to make money. So now we're talking about this off-air. Duro kind of reminds us of Lester Martinez. Stock, he's built like, you know what, how he is. Yeah, a little more, yeah, very, very similar in terms of his style. He bangs his feet up, and he's more into, you know, making those mistakes. So he's too trigger happy. He's kind of working his way through this, maybe overall, 120 amateur fight. At a good level in Brazil. Another Fight Blocks TV. Rarely they reach an amateur pedigree, like you said, you can, to find just in that fight. Tough dude, British guy, pretty basic. Which makes him fun, but yeah, it also makes him better clothes. Fighter from Brazil, still in it.
Sa pagpasok ng round number 2, pagdaan ng maladiwatang ringer ay biglang nag-init ang dugo ng ating boksingero at napabagsak niya dito ng 2 beses ang kalabang Brasiliano.
Over those skis quite a bit. Good right hand. Hold that lead in. Oh, for reason I hear Teddy Atlas. You close your eyes and hit the net. Oh, big right hand and down. Yeah, the missing he gets hurt. Very, very smart. Oh, couple extra seconds. Mindoro trying to swarm another knockdown.
Na-save by the bell pa ang kalaban, pero halatang halata dito na di na niya kayang lumaban.
By the bell in round number 2. That looked like a brain was grabbing.
Sa round number 3, dito natatapusin ng ating boksingero ang paghihirap ng kalaban nito. Isang napakatinding brutal knockout na pagkatalo ang sasapitin ng Brazilian na boksingero. Nito lang araw ng Biyernes, December 6 taong 2024 sa United Arab Emirates, Dubai ay muling dumayo ang ating pambato. Makakaharap niya rito ang knockout artist ng bansang Australia na si Joel Camilleri. Pero katulad ng ibang boksingero, round number 4 lang din ang itatagal nito sa ating pambato. Si Joel Camilleri ay ang nagpahirap kay Team Taiso, isang mahusay na boksingero, pero hindi rin siya umubra sa lakas ng ating pambato. Nanunood sa laban na ito ang karamihan sa pinakamalalakas na boxer sa mundo, si Terence Crawford, Dimitri Bivol, Arthur Beterbiev at Manny Pacquiao, kaya nagpakitang gilas talaga ang ating boksingero. Round number 1, nagtansyahan ng 2 boksingero, pero lamang kaagad dito ang lakas ng ating pambato.
Figure and start looking for the man from Melbourne. Simply to manage the cross to zoom, squeeze into that here. Right cross, left up, left hook to the body. Left hook on the inside, landed by Camilleri. That the right hand and left hand wandering around his quad and kneecap. His man back across the ring. Remember, both men scaling an identical 70 lateral left and right. Camilleri. Against the ropes, bring him square in him. He'd get the power driving right cross and unload a couple of punches to the body left hook after turning the table, landed by Camilleri.
Sa round number 2, hindi rin basta-basta ang lakas ng kalaban at nakipagsabayan siya sa ating kababayan.
Right hand to the body, followed by left hook upstairs from Camilleri, but then Mindoro backing his man across the ropes with a forward foray, but keeping his composure under fire and answering with a single. Camilleri together with the right uppercut, pulling the trigger first against the trigger man is Camilleri, now backing him up, continuing to be, oh what a beautiful left jab by Mindoro from around around the kneecap, just cracked right into his face to disrupt his forward movement. Beautiful shot with that lead left from Camilleri. Camilleri goes by the nickname of Kamakeo 14. Camilleri, figure up in the boxing ring as he circumnavigates, his back skimming against the ropes. Turns the table. Mindoro made his man miss Mary. Just give you the impression that he's controlling the tempo and he's setting the tempo.
Round number 3, malakas talaga ang kalaban at pinahirapan din si Kabayan, pero ibang klase po ang ating pambato dahil binaliwala niya ang mga suntok ng Australiano.
Spinning his own corner is Camilleri. Keen to try and fashion a clinch, but then just, beautiful two-shot salvo to the body from Mindoro. Perhaps his best punches and got real leverage onto his shots, but now it's Camilleri walking down the knockout artist, and he's teeing away to the body before cuffing away with a right hook to the Asian Continental title at 75 kilograms. But sometimes the puncher's instinct can be to just dig away harder. And even though they say them to this point, having made his debut in 2019, Camilleri with a cuffing right hand and then tying his man out towards him back, offering the half cover guard. There he finds an overhand right and left hook, 12 fish sticometer as he glides around the perimeter of the ring. Camilleri, Mindoro, again when Andy and I were observing him work out at the Rocky Road Gym, as a flashing left-right combination catches the advancing Mindoro from Camilleri. Walked his man down, but Camilleri landing with the inside of the glove, and then an altogether cleaner right hand, and another one from Camilleri, followed by left hook, bouncing beautifully off the ropes as Mindoro tries to respond with a right uppercut of his own. But he's walked back across the ring by Camilleri to smother the man from the Philippines. Looking for a right hand off the back foot, and a very clever display once again.
Dito sa round number 4, tatapusin na ni Kabayan ang paghihirap ng kalaban. Sobrang lalakas ng kamao ang pinakawalan ng ating boksingero. Ilang beses binalangang nakatayo ang kalaban, kaya walang nang nagawa dito ang referee at itinigil na ang laban.
Back to the ropes and lands with a right cross. Clever boxing out of the corner from Camilleri, who's remained responsible. But now he's beginning to be teed off upon by Mindoro. Is this a stoppage? No, it's a standing count. So, against Camilleri. Oh, that's a beautiful right hand on the resumption, but now Mindoro has got his man going, and he's seeking to demonstrate that he is a precise and merciless finisher once again. It's an awful long time to negotiate. Beautiful left hook, but then a right hand in response from Camilleri. But Mindoro really is finding the range on his punches now, and wearing all of them flush. Here's Camilleri. He's endured it far. He's taken a standing count. Back into the breach. Steps Mindoro. Senses that he's got his man going. His referee's respite. The referee wipes the gloves clean. And he's walked onto a shot, which was an uppercut, which sends Camilleri to the canvas to take the second count of the light Mindoro. That could well be a long 90 seconds. Camilleri on the ropes above our commentary position. Bobbing and weaving, trying to hold on. But he's taken a right uppercut, and the towel has come in.
Napahanga lahat ng pinakasikat na boksingero ngayong era sa galing ng ating bida na posible talagang humilera sa pinakamagagaling na boksingero ng Amerika. Araw naman ng Sabado, June 7 taong 2025 sa Boeing Center, Techport, San Antonio, Texas ay muling dumayo ang ating boksingero. Makakaharap niya rito ang isang napakatindi at undefeated na Meksikano sa middleweight division. Si Omar Ulysses Gutierrez Munguia ay ang ipinagmamalaking boksingero ng Mexico. Sa kanyang 8 panalo, 6 sa mga ito talagang pinatulog niya sa ibabaw ng lona. Pero katulad ng ibang boksingero, round 1 lang ang itanagal niya sa ating pambato.
Number 1.
Dito mga boss, makikita natin na napakahusay din talaga at matibay ang kalaban ni Mindoro. Sumusuntok at umaatake din ito. 8 wins, 6 sa pamamagitan ng knockout at walang talo ang boksingerong ito. Pero titingnan natin si Mindoro kung gaano katindi ang kamao nito. Ayun, binira parang maso. Nahilo ang kalaban at napaupo doon mga kaibigan. Hinantay ng referee at medyo sa tenga ang tama, kaya hinayaan lang ng referee. Pero para sa akin, malinis yon mga boss. Protect yourself at all time sa boxing. Sumusugod mga kaibigan. Makikita natin dito yung galaw ni Mindoro na talagang nag-improve dahil siguro sa mga training na nakukuha niya kay Marshall at sa mga professional trainer sa Amerika. Boogs! Grabe yun, no? Ang lalakas na mga kombinasyon ni Mindoro. Baliwala yung suntok ng kalaban. Tandaan natin na undefeated tong kalaban ni Mindoro, ha. Boom! Grabe yung mga uppercut, oh. Boom! Body shot. Boom! Uppercut. Grabe nangyari sa kalaban ni Mindoro dito, mga boss. Ang lakas nun, body shot. Pinagsamang uppercut at body shot. Parang Mike Tyson yung galawan na yun. Yung favorite moves ni Mike Tyson na body shot bago uppercut. Kuhang-kuha ni Mindoro, mga kaibigan. Panalo si Mindoro dito. Round 1 knockout. Siya na ngayon ang pinakamahusay na boksingero ng Pilipinas. 14 wins with 40 knockout, walang talo. Lahat ng kalaban pinatulog sa ibabaw ng lona. Ganito katindi yung boksingero ng Pilipinas. Iyak yung kalaban niya, oh. Grabe. Sobrang lakas at sobrang sakit ng pakiramdam nun, oh. Grabe, napaiyak sa sakit, mga kaibigan. Aabangan talaga tong batang boksidor na to na si Weljan Mindoro. Sikat na ngayon sa Pilipinas to. Yung mukha ng kalaban namutla, oh. Grabe yung lakas ng suntok, 2 maso. Mala Mike Tyson na suntok, mga kaibigan. Body shot sabay uppercut. Tanggal ang ulo ng kalaban.
Body shot first. And that shot right there. Yes, he took the first one. Well, you should have been alert. There was one that went by him right before this. You gotta be alert to it. Mindoro placed that first one by him. Yeah, he stayed in the same position. So Mindoro did say, you know what, I'm gonna throw it again.
Nito lang araw ng Biyernes, August 15 taong 2025 sa Probox TV Event Center, Plan City, Florida ay muling may naghamon sa ating bida. Si Dormedes Potis ng Colombia ay ang pinakamaangas at pinakamatangkad na boksingero nila. Pero katulad ng mga naunang boksingero, round 3 lang din ang itinagal niya sa bagito nating bida.
I've never seen Mindoro throw this way. He's straight in there. And Holder's looking for and this one was looking for a punch. I didn't see it. Yeah, Holder's bleeding very heavily. Oh, where is it? So why is it a body? Mindoro was home with Mindoro against him in his last fight. Mindoro and his team did their homework. Stay away from the offense. Survive round number 1. Explosive footwork in. Another body shot. You heard the wind coming out his body. Call that one a push. Another body shot followed by the uppercut. Colts are trying to keep him off the left hook. Well, John's not going in, John, now, you know. If he doesn't start to step up in the level of opposition, people are going to start to wonder whether he wants to step up in the level of opposition. You guys do. You want to actually do something in this sport. The coach was saying that we need to step him up. This obviously isn't return fights. It's a great moment for him. Oh, man, right in front of us. Ripping around both sides. Scheduled for 8, I would be amazed.
KOs you're never going to see.
Beautiful shot right up the middle. Vicious uppercut. Walter's trying to clinch, but
punches in return. He's trying to be physical and smarter work.
It's very crafty. Very, very crafty. We've not seen that from him. Great things there it is. Taking a knee. Pushing defense here. You're allowing your opponent to take one fall. Strafing shot that runs across.
Si Weljan Mindoro ay ang pinakamalakas nating boksingero na maaari nating itapat at pwede pang magbabagsak kay Terence Crawford at Canelo. Di na magtatagal ay magiging world champion na natin ito. God bless everyone.